props and gaming. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fun pixie lantern. So I've just cut out here some little pixie shapes, and I have an ordinary black lantern. I picked these up at Kmart. So as you can see, they're designed for the candle to go inside. Unfortunately, I forgot to grab my candles. But all you need to do is use a little bit of double-sided tape. Try and get the slightly thicker stuff if you can. And you want a very thin strip. So you don't want the double-sided tape to be any thicker than the black pieces on your lantern. So all we're going to do is stick the creepy pixie pictures into the crevice of the lantern. So where they're hidden by the black, where the tape is hidden by the black. So I'm going to put 3 pixies around my lantern in 3 different poses. If you'd like to see any of the files I used here today, jump on over to our Facebook page and they'll be able to help you out. And that's that one complete. Now I will take some more photos of this one with the candles lit up at night, just to show you the full effect of how creepy the pixies look inside the lantern. If you'd like the pixie files we used here, because I cut these out with my Cameo, jump on over to our Facebook page and they'll be able to point you in the right direction. And I have found the lanterns at IKEA and Kmart for those who are in Australia and would like to purchase some. Thank you for watching today. If you've enjoyed our video, please subscribe.